Would you like to rank advance in your network marketing company? Or would you like to stay stuck at the same rank for several months? Would you like to have a lot of people looking at your opportunity? Or would you like to not share it with very many people? Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the things that the top leaders in network marketing are doing to be able to get their opportunity in front of as many people as they can every single month. And there's strategies that you can do even if you're just starting out as a brand new distributor in your network marketing company. For those of you that are new to this channel, my name is Sarah Peterson, and I help network marketers grow their network marketing teams using social media. I started out offline and I grew a team that was doing a pretty substantial amount of volume every single month. Unfortunately, I hit a snag and I had several leaders just kind of drop off. I don't know why they quit doing it, but they quit doing it. And when they quit doing it, the speed of my team slowed down, and a lot of the people that had joined their teams stopped doing it as well. So I started this channel as a way to document my journey and share with you what's working really great and what's working not so great so that you can shortcut your journey. Tip number 1, free is forgettable. It's really easy to want to get your friends hooked, so to speak, on your product. Here, try this for free. Here, try that for free. Hey, guess what? There's this great promotion right now where you can actually become a member of my team for free. It's not going to cost you anything. Jump on in. But think about this for a minute. How do you get paid in your network marketing company? You get paid for the amount of volume that goes through your business every single month. It's really easy to understand why you'd want to have people joining your team. It looks cool. It feels great. Now you're no longer that team of one. But even though you may be gaining popularity, is it really benefiting your business? Are you going to be paid off of that volume and off of those new customers and distributors that got in for free or are using the product for free? You are not, right? But even more than that is that free is forgettable. I had a friend that I'd been telling about my opportunity for several months. And one day I finally decided, you know what? If I give her my bottle, she's going to see how amazing this is. All of that friction and resistance is going to be removed. And she's either going to become a customer where she's buying this month in and month out, or even better, she's going to see how great this product is that I've been telling her about. And all of the dots are going to connect, and she's going to realize that this is a fantastic business opportunity. So I grabbed that bottle, I call it my bottle of gold, right? And I gave it to my friend. And then I waited. And then I waited. And then I waited a little bit longer, waiting for my friend to come back to me and say, you were right. That was amazing. I want to order next month. I don't want to live without this. And you're right. This is a great business opportunity. How do I get started? But she didn't call. And I felt awkward and I felt weird. And I was like, how do I bring this up? And so finally one day I got my courage up. And as we were hanging out, I casually mentioned, so, you know, that product I gave you coming up on the end of the month. So I know that the bottle's running out. What do you think? And guess what she said? Oh, I completely forgot about it. I think it's sitting on the counter in the kitchen. I haven't taken it yet. I totally forgot. That bottle meant absolutely nothing to my friend. Nothing. She really didn't know what was going to happen when she took it. And since she hadn't paid for it, it didn't mean anything to her. And so it was just sitting on the kitchen counter. I kind of felt weird after that because I brought it up. And even more than that, I was mad. Because to me, this product was the most amazing thing I've ever used in my life. And it had changed my life. But for her, it meant nothing. And I remember thinking, is there a way I can ask her to get my bottle back? When I go out to eat and I pay for a meal, even if I'm not hungry, I will finish that entire plate of food. And sometimes I'll even take stuff off my kids' plate and eat it. Even like I said, if I'm totally and completely full. And I know that that's exactly the wrong mentality to have when I'm looking at that plate, but psychologically, I paid for that food and I do not want to waste it. It hurts my soul to leave that food on the plate. And the more money I pay for it, the more dedicated I am in finishing every single last bite of food on that plate. Do any of you feel the same way? Well, the same way goes with your network marketing opportunity and your products. If you're giving your products away for free, they don't mean a whole lot. Have you ever gotten samples at the store, even if you liked the sample and intended to use it, and just let it sit in the cupboard because you forgot about it because you didn't pay for it? MLM companies, as a general rule, are not very expensive to get involved with, which is what makes them such a great business opportunity, because they're available for anybody. You don't need special skills. You don't need to have a fancy college degree or formal schooling to be able to do it. And it's an industry where you can learn as you grow. Think about this for a minute. Even at the highest level of your company to join, it's not a lot of money to walk away from, right? When the going gets tough, the tough gets going, as they say. Can you imagine getting in for free? If people are getting into your opportunity for free, what does it say about it? First of all, it's really easy for that person that joined at the free level to go, I'm just not feeling like doing this. This is a little bit more work than I thought it was going to be. I don't really have any skin in the game. It's not a big deal to walk away. And number two, what does it say about the product? Do you pay more for things because in your mind they have more value? I was sitting in a high school class one day and we were talking about brands of jeans. And one of the kids was saying that his aunt is part of this company that makes all these jeans. And he was talking about how the jeans are exactly the same. The only thing that's different is they slap that label on it. And that label makes it worth more. What label are you putting on your products and your MLM opportunity by how you're positioning how much it costs and what's involved in getting started? Don't discount your products. Don't give stuff away for free. It won't mean anything to the other person. Don't have people join at that lowest level of your MLM team because it won't benefit the other person. If it's easy to get into, it's going to be easy to get out of. Have them put some skin in the game. Have you ever seen that slogan, wake up, do this thing, sleep and repeat? In network marketing, that thing that you do is recruit. Wake up, recruit, sleep, and repeat. No matter what level of the business you're in, whether you're just starting out or whether you've been in network marketing for a long time, you've got to be recruiting. As soon as you stop sharing the opportunity and as soon as your enthusiasm fades, guess what happens to everybody else on your team? Their enthusiasm starts to fade too. The speed of the leader is the speed of the team. I didn't like recruiting offline. I didn't like talking to my friends. I didn't like talking to my family members. And I really didn't like follow-up. So as soon as I started getting some team members in, instead of calling up my friends anymore, I shifted my focus and I solely started focusing on these new team members. Now, there's nothing wrong with focusing on new team members. In fact, I highly recommend that you do because they're going to need help getting started. But don't neglect your own because they're going to look at what your day looks like. And if your day is solely focused on only looking at your new team members, they're going to go, maybe that's what I should do too. And all of a sudden, everybody on your whole team goes into management mode and nobody's doing anything. The most awesome thing about being online is that recruiting doesn't look like hunting. You're going to post things that leave your readers asking, what are they doing? How are they doing it? Can I do it too? And this is going to lead them to reaching out to you, which means that you're not going to be hunting. You're just going to be answering questions as they come in through your inbox, which changes the game because now you're in control. And as you're posting these things and as you're choosing your team to do these things, your team is going to naturally grow. And the greatest thing about building your team on social media is that weird, awkward follow-up, like with my friends saying, are you even using the product? Is now alleviated because as you show up every single day, you're going to be on the front of everybody's mind. Have you heard that term that it takes about 7 follow-ups before somebody does something? Offline, that's 7 really awkward follow-up calls. But online, it's just showing up every single day, and those people on your Facebook, your Instagram, your LinkedIn, seeing you and remembering, oh yeah, I wanted to ask you about this, and them reaching out to you to get more clarification. So how do you stand out online? You gotta make noise, but make the right noise. There's annoying noise, which is buy my product, buy my product, buy my product, it's on sale, here's what I'm using, here's what I'm using, here's what I'm using. And there's helpful noise that's gonna make you stand out. Why does somebody want to be on your team as opposed to the other guy's team? It's because of you. What makes you unique? What are some of your hobbies? Pick a couple of those and start posting around those, and you're going to attract the people that are just like you and are going to be the perfect fit to join your MLM and to use your products. And lastly, don't friend request everybody. Your goal is not to get to 5,000 friends as quickly as possible. Instead, your goal is to find those people that align with your values and are just like you as quickly as possible. Think about your friends offline. Why are they your friends? Is it because your kids are all the same age and so you go and do play dates together? Is it because you all have this passion about running, so you all go running in the morning after you send out your kids to school? What is it that you have in common with these people, and what made those relationships? The same thing applies to online. Where are those people hanging out that you want to be with? Are they fanatic about using chemical-free products? Are they really into golf? Do they love reading books? Find those people that love it just like you do, because that's how you're going to build those relationships with them that are going to translate to customers and distributors down the line. So as a quick recap, number 1, free is forgettable. Number 2, wake up, recruit, sleep, and repeat. Number 3, make a lot of noise. And number 4, make friends with the people who are like you. For those of you that want to shortcut your learning process and build your MLM team even faster, make sure that you click on that link below and go over to my Facebook group and get the Social Media Igniter. It's going to be the spark plug for your business, and it's going to light your network marketing business on fire. If you liked anything that you heard today, make sure that you click that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.